Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another Victorinox Swiss Army knife. And this one is kind of a cool little sort of, I don't want to call it petite, but it's one of the smaller 84mm knives. And this is the Bantam Alox. The Bantam Alox. And the deal, of course, with the Alox part is it has the aluminum scales. Now the trade-off with the Alox is you lose your scale tools, so there's no tweezers and there's no tweezers, no toothpick. The Bantam is it's a very simple knife. It's got the large knife blade, and then it's got the combi tool, like you'd see on a compact. And with the combi tool, it has the little flathead screwdriver, and then it has the combination bottle opener, can opener, which is okay, I guess. It doesn't quite match up to the actual full power can opener you get with other Swiss Army knives, but it's workable. And then you have the highly questionable wire stripper nub right there. So it's really close to what you'd consider a more traditional pocket knife, where you can have something in your pocket. The other thing is it's one layer, so it's super thin and it's super light. Maybe less than an ounce. If not, it's very close to an ounce. I'd have to look it up to tell you for sure. But it's not a very heavy knife. And it can as thin as the knife is, I could easily see this just sliding into somebody's pocket and you can forget about it. And you get a lot of bang for the space, because you can do a lot with just the normal Swiss Army knife blade. And then the combi tool gives you the can opener, bottle opener, and screwdriver combo that, I don't know, I like the compactness of this knife. There's a lot good about this, and it's one of those things. It's like there's an Alox Solo, I think is what it's called. I did a video on it where it's just the main blade, and I want to say that one's a 93mm, so it's a little bit bigger. But this one, I don't know. I feel like it's sort of in the same range as the Cadet, and then it's just a very small, easy to forget that you have on you knife that's like easy to carry. Anyway, let me know what you think. Are y'all pro or con Alox? Pro or con the smaller, like one-layer knives? Let me know in the comments. Oh, I'll include a link in the description where you can find this if you're interested in this. They're not super expensive. I want to say it's like $25, something like that. Anyway, if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.